Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to create a custom Excel template in 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So here's some quick steps for creating a custom Excel template. Now let's go and open up Excel. And as you can see here, I already made prior for this tutorial to show you how it's done. So, you should open a blank workbook and customize the workbook. You can add any formatting, formulas, or data you want to be included in your template. For example, you want to add a header with your company logo or include certain formulas that you use frequently. So, for example, for this one is for family beach outing. And as you can see here, there is the total budget fund. And I have the formula here, which is the sum. And for the expenses, and the total for the expenses. And the excess or short with this budget and the expenses. I also included the itinerary for the outing. So, after you finish putting the data, just save the workbook as a template. Click on the File tab, then select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, so add the place or browse. Then rename it. Then save as file. And just press this one with the template. And just click Save. You can customize the default template location. If you want to use your custom template as the default template for Excel, you can save it to the default location where Excel looks for template. Do this to navigate the default template location. So, it will be saved. And that's it. You have now the custom Excel template that you can use to quickly create your workbooks with your preferred form. So, I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!